What is up, you guys? I've seriously not filmed like an actual beauty video in so long that I'm having some issues, okay? And I'm really not used to this filming setup. I really don't like it, but I don't know. I need to work on my filming setup. So, not the point. Welcome to a new video. Hello, how you doing? If you are new here, my name is Jennifer, and I started losing everything I own. I started my channel as a beauty kind of mom channel. I'm cleaning some brushes, stars. And I recently, in December of last year, got accepted into my local nursing program, which is a huge accomplishment. If I do say so myself, it's a very competitive program. And since I've started the nursing program, my channel's kind of switched a little bit into more of a vloggy mom student kind of situation, but I still love makeup. I haven't gotten to play around with makeup a whole lot since school started, and well, I have some free time and I want to do a makeup video. Sorry, my heat just turned on. I'm sorry, but I have a little bit of free time today, so I wanted to do it, okay? Don't mind all the shit under my bed, by the way. What are they called? Bed skirts? Are bed skirts still a thing? And also my skin, not happy with me right now, but it's okay. So I want to do a weird, I don't know, you might not think it's weird. I want to do like a weird smoky blue and green eye. It's been stuck in my head for a minute. I also want to do a pinky purple situation, but we're doing blue and green today because my t-shirt for the day is Harry Potter and it's blue, so we're gonna go with the blue and green for right now. Okay, I have out the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Mini Controversy palette because there are technically 3 blues, but really just these bottom 2. And I also have out my James Charles and Morphe palette. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below. You can subscribe to me. I do a giveaway every 100 subscribers, and we are almost halfway to our 600 subscriber giveaway, which is absolutely insane to me. So, you know. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's always linked down below with a few other videos from my channel that I feel like you guys might like. It's a little smorgasbord of what my channel is. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get into it. So I already have my eyes primed with a just plain white concealer, and I'm gonna go in to the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna start off with this really bright aqua blue. I am pure trash and I have lost the insert to my palette. Don't judge me for it. I'm just gonna point to it. I'm gonna start this in my crease, and I'm gonna blow this out a little bit to the eyebrow. Can you even see that? I just realized I still have my fan on, so maybe the background noise isn't as bad now. I'm having issues with my lighting, with my whole setup really, but it's all good. I'm just going in with some more of that blue. I'm just going to fully get up in that crease and take it out. Like so. Okay, so this does not have to be absolutely perfect at all. It's in fact not going to look okay. I'm gonna go in with that same blue and just kind of pack it down a little bit like that. Just under the outer corner. You wanna try to keep your lid clean, but I mean, honestly, if you wanted to, you could just pack this blue eyeshadow onto your entire lid in that shape and then just cut it all out. I'm just trying to save myself some work in the future. So I'm gonna pack that onto my outer corner, connect it up to that wing shape, beautiful. It does not have to be perfect by any means. It's not going to be perfect. So right under that color in the James Charles palette, there's a matte navy blue. And I'm going to place that in my outer corner and kind of blend it into the crease. Just right at that crease line. Obviously, I recommend doing your eyes first if you're recreating this look because, well, these shadows are super powdery. So when I go to do this, because I'm honestly just kind of messy with my eyeshadow in general, I am covering the majority of my lid. There's a tiny little blank spot left, which is fine. You can definitely go in with a smaller brush to make this a little more precise, but I've always been pretty messy with my makeup and just go back in and clean it up. So through the crease, just at the very bottom of that blue, in the outer corner. You just want to create a little bit of depth. And if you wanted to, you could even go all the way out to that wing with the navy, just blending it and diffusing it all the way up. You don't have to worry about any of this being perfect because it's not going to be. Once you're here, you are just going to grab a small concealer brush. That's not my concealer brush. Where are you hiding? There it is. I'm going to take a small concealer brush and a concealer. It does not have to be white. It can be your skin tone. You can take some micellar water or makeup remover and a Q-tip. I've seen people use Vaseline, but I feel like that would leave a residue on my lids and make them crease. So I've always just used plain white concealer, and I'm going to cut out my crease, but I'm going to leave my outer corner alone. So like I said with pretty much everything else in this video, your creases do not have to be perfectly cut out. And because I was really messy with the blue eyeshadow, it kind of made it a baby blue. That's totally fine. We're working through it. It's all good. So also in the Morphe and James Charles palette, there's a lime green eyeshadow. You can do this whole look out of this palette. And I'm going to pack that over that concealer. I just wanted a really bright, colorful look today. Perfect. So now with just a small, tiny little blending brush, I'm gonna take that green and just right on the edge of the blue, I'm gonna diffuse it a little bit. Once again, not perfectly. You just want to marry those two shades a little bit. I'm gonna take that big fluffy crease brush we used the blue with, and I'm gonna quickly spritz it and clean it. If you wanted to, you could just get a different fluffy crease brush, but it does not have to be perfect. And I'm just going to blend all that together a little bit. And I'm also going to go in with that navy blue again and really go over that seam. I'm gonna hop off of the screen really quickly, and I'm gonna clean up under my eye, throw on my face makeup and my eyebrows, and we will be right back. Okay, woo! That was a wild ride. So I got my face done, cleaned up my fallout. This little fucker does not want to subside, but it's all good, it's all good. We're gonna work through it. So I'm actually going to take this top palest goldy shade very lightly, and I'm gonna pack that over that green just to give it a little iridescent moment. Kind of make it into a sparkly green, even though it's not a sparkly green. You follow me there? I know you're following me there. You can see me doing it. That's just gonna kind of lighten it up and make it into a shimmery shade, just so it's not as, you know? You know? You know. So now I'm gonna go in with that dark navy blue, and I'm just going to, this brush sucks for this. I'm just going to throw that on my lower lash line. Apparently we're gonna smoke it out kind of low today. Just trying to make the chaos even here. Okay, that's as good as we're getting. Okay, real life here. I'm going to tightline my eye quickly, throw on a winged eyeliner, and I'm actually going to be trying out the Kiss Liner Lash Glue again. Lash Glue Liner Squeeze. It's in black, and I'm going to throw on some false lashes. These are the Kiss Lacy Lashes. They look very pretty, so I'm going to hop off of the screen again really quick and do all that. Whew. Okay, that was a bumpy ride, but we made it. We made it. I literally struggle with any lash that's not the Kiss Ritzy lashes. I don't know why. It's just a thing. But I really like how these lashes look with this eyeshadow. So really the only thing left to do for this look is a lip, and I'm gonna go in with Anastasia's Pure Hollywood. Very, very nude liquid lipstick, and then I'm gonna top it off with Buxom's White Russian just to add a little glossy pop on my lip. So there's Pure Hollywood, and obviously this will eventually dry down and be matte, and if you like the way matte look, you could leave it, but I'm gonna go in with White Russian. Give it a little glossy moment, and yeah, that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also comment down below with any other videos I'm sorry, I can feel my lash popping. What was I even saying? Oh, if you want to, I would really love it if you guys commented down below with anything you'd like to see in the future, whether it's a beauty video, some kind of home video, a nursing school video, mom video, whatever. Anything you'd like to see in the future, please leave it down below, or you could just say, hey, I love getting to talk to you guys. So that is it for me. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.